It's that time of the year again, or maybe that time of every other year where we need new wiper blades and we forget how to install them. Happens to all of us. So I'm gonna kind of go through the process of showing you really quickly just how to swap them out. When it comes to windshield wipers, I don't really go anything too fancy. I just get your basic ones from AutoZone, not the lower end, not the higher end, but the medium end. I'm kind of going to show you too how my wiper blade looks, because I mean you can see it poking out already right there. So I mean it literally just doesn't do anything, throws water right in my face, so it drives me nuts. So I'm going to go through that. On a side note, I kind of want to show you something that I have done, but I was too lazy. I waxed half of my windshield, so the passenger side. I don't know if you can see as I'm driving, you can see one side that's obviously a lot clearer, and you can see the other side where the water's beating, or the water is not beating, so you can see that. So I am going to try and get my windshield waxed all the way, the entire windshield, one day, so hopefully that happens soon. But all right, let me get home and I'll kind of get into exactly what we need for this. Generally, I don't even like to use my windshield wiper blades even when they're new, because I hate the dry line that you get the next day where you can tell you've kind of been using them. But this is just crazy. I can barely see a thing, and it's supposed to rain a lot here in the next couple of days, so it's just time that I just get them anyways. I'd rather be safe than sorry, so because it's actually a nightmare driving on the freeway, getting all the splash up and kickback from the other cars. So let's get into it. Oh wow, look at that. You can definitely see how clear the other side is now compared. Alright guys, nothing fancy, just Duralast blades. You need a 24-inch for the driver's side, so I chose to get the Aero Blade Hybrid, whatever. This is not the lowest that AutoZone offers, it's also not the highest, so I always get mid-grade. And then you need a 21-inch for the passenger side. Now, it's really simple. So in reality, after you've done it once or twice, you can do this like within 5 minutes or so. So it's going to take probably about 10 minutes, even taking the time to kind of show you guys a walkthrough. So let's get to it. All right, so we're on the driver's side. It's super easy. There's a little tab here. You want to get underneath it. So I have no nails. So you're literally just going to flip it up like that. And then it's a little hook in here, so you're going to pull out just a little bit, push down, spin it right off. Okay, so that's what the old one looks like. Got the new one right here, so you're going to flip up that tab, and it's a little J hook. Okay, so you're just literally going to do the exact opposite. So you're going to lean it in, slide it up, not like that. Come on. There you go, you'll feel it click. And then just like that, there it goes. So you'll feel it snap into place. And then you can just literally just lower it back down. And then same thing for the passenger side, and then that's it. All right, just like that, we're all done. So I mean, it was probably less than, I don't know, 10 minutes start to finish, pulling the car in, everything like that. So let's get these lights turned off. So let's check it out, see how good do these work. Butter, get a little spray on there. Perfect. All right, so thanks for watching. Look forward to it till the next time. Peace. So I showed you how awful it was before, but now check this out. Instant clarity. Ooh-wee. No more scary driving in the morning. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out the channel. Later.